Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to create this really easy seascape. And I'm going to start off with the water first, and I'm kind of doing a combination here. Yes, you can do the wet on wet technique, but with this specific journal that I'm using, these pages can't handle too much water, so that's just something I have to be mindful of. So you may see me adding water and then the paint, or sometimes just adding the paint, so that's why. And I am using some cerulean blue right now, and I'm going to mix that with some of the Prussian later on for the shadows, and then a little bit of Viridian green I'm going to mix in with the cerulean to give it that nice, like, pretty bluish green Caribbean look. And on the bottom here for the sand, I am using raw sienna. And for the sky, I'm going to be using just a lighter blue. There is no specific name in the set that I have here, so you can feel free to use anything similar to the shade that is shown right here. And I'm just going to sketch out a few clouds, just basic shapes here, nothing too crazy. And then I'm going to use the water to blend out and feather out the edges. And I'm going to continue to build up the layers and the contrast. And as I let the top dry up a little bit, I'm just going to add a little bit more deeper shadows in the sand with that same raw sienna. And then when you're done with that, the deeper shade up top there is Prussian blue. I'm going in with the same blue that I used for the sky, and I'm just giving these clouds a little bit more shape. And then I'm just going to wet the brush and only use the water to blend out the lines so they're not as harsh. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial, and be sure to like the video and subscribe.